Hi friends, in this video let us discuss about formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. So we know that constants maybe we can classify into two types. One constant is called fixed constant, like 10, 20 are called fixed constants, and arbitrary constants means whenever we are going to integrate, we are going to consider the terms like plus c or ab. Such constants are called arbitrary constants, where it will take different value for different conditions. So what is this concept, formation of PDE? So if you are having a expression f of x, y, z, a, b, such expression which is where z is function of x, y, so f of x, y, z, a, b, such expression, if you go for partial differentiation, if you do partial differentiation, through the process of partial differentiation, if you get a new expression f of x, y, z, dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, and such partial derivatives. So getting this expression where we don't have arbitrary constants a and b, so this is called formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants, where we are getting expression in x, y, z, dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, and so further partial derivatives, and which is not having arbitrary constants a and b. So this process is called formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. So whenever we are going to get such expressions, just differentiate partially with respect to x, with respect to y. So then it is possible to eliminate constants and we get new terms, partial derivatives. So now let us understand through examples. So let us go through the first example. Form PDE by eliminating a and b from expression z equal to x plus a into y plus b. So here z is function of xy and here arbitrary constants are a and b. So now what we can do is differentiate partially this expression partially with respect to x, So take this as equation number 1. Now just differentiate with respect to x, then you will get dou z by dou x. Derivative of z is dou z by dou x. So with respect to x means derivative of this part, derivative of x plus a is 1 into y plus b is a other variable term which we treated as constant, y plus b as it is. So dou z by dou x notation is p. So we get y plus b equal to p. Now so just we have differentiated with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate partially with respect to y. So if you differentiate with respect to y, again you are going to get dou z by dou y, dou z by dou y. So with respect to y means y plus b derivative 1 and treat x plus a as constant, x plus a into 1, or dou z by dou x dou y, that is notation we take it as q. So x plus a equal to q. So we got p equal to this, q equal to this. These are partial derivatives. So now substitute this in 1. So from 1 what we can do is we get is z equal to x plus a is q, y plus b is p, z equal to pq, where p and q are partial derivatives. So this is called formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. Let us go through the another example. Form PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants a and b from z equal to x minus a whole square, y minus b whole square. So now consider z as it is, z equal to x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. So now whatever we got, this from this we need to eliminate a and b. So for that, first differentiate partially with respect to x. So take this as 1, differentiate with respect to x. So then you will get dou z by dou x, which is noted as p. So dou z by dou x is x minus a whole square is 2 times x minus a plus this is other variable term, so that we treat it as constant, derivative of that is 0. So p equal to this we got, if you transfer to this side, so p by 2 equal to x minus a, or x minus a equal to p by 2 we got. Now on the other side, differentiate 1 with respect to y partially. So if you differentiate with respect to y, we get dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y is x is other variable term, treat it as constant, derivative of that is 0. So 2 times y minus b, y minus b whole square, derivative is 2 times y minus b. Dou z by dou y is q. So if you take 2 this side, q by 2 equal to y minus b. So now you got x minus a, y minus b. So here what you can do is substitute x minus a and y minus b in 1, from 1 z equal to, we get z equal to, so x minus a is p by 2, so p by 2 whole square plus y minus b. Y minus b means q by 2, q by 2 it's square, y minus b square. So now if you square it, you are going to get, so 4 p square by 4, q square by 4, 4 take this side, so we get 4z equal to p square equal to p square plus q square, where p is dou z by dou x, q is dou z by dou y. So this is called PDE, required PDE, where we don't have a arbitrary constants a and b. Let us solve this problem. Form PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants a and b from z equal to a into log of b into y minus 1 divided by 1 minus x. So z in terms of xy it is given, and also it is having constants a and b. Z is function of x and y, but it is having arbitrary constants a and b. So we need to eliminate a and b, and we want the PDE, partial differential equation, from this. So for that what we need to do is, just we need to go for partial differentiation. Z is dependent on xy, so differentiate z with respect to x, with respect to y partially, from that you are going to get PDE. So now, so consider the as it is expression, z equal to a into log of b into y minus b, y minus 1 divided by 1 minus x. So this is what the given equation is. So now a log, so now numerator denominator, log of m divided by n, we know log of m by n is log m minus log n. So log of b into y minus 1 minus log of 1 minus x. So this is what we got. So now a into bracket log b into y minus 1, log m into n form, so which can be written as log b plus log of y minus 1 minus log of 1 minus x. So if you multiply a inside, so we get a into log b plus a into log y minus 1 minus a into log of 1 minus x. So this is what expression for z, simplified expression for z we got. Take this as equation number 1. So now once you get this, then you go for differentiating this with respect to x, with respect to y. So let us differentiate partially with respect to x. So when you differentiate with respect to x, so what we get? Z differentiation dou z by dou x, dou z by dou x. So with respect to z means other than x, treat it as constant. So a log b constant, differentiation 0. So log of y minus 1 constant 0 minus a log of 1 minus x, log x differentiation 1 by x, so that is 1 minus x, into with respect to 1 minus x minus 1. So here this is dou z by dou x means we know notation, we take it as p. So here a minus of minus 1 a divided by 1 minus x we got. So take 1 minus x this side, so a equal to p into 1 minus x. So this is what we got expression for arbitrary constant a. In the same way, let us go for differentiation with respect to y. So differentiate partially with respect to y. So when you differentiate, dou z by dou y we get. Z differentiation dou z by dou y. A log b constant, its derivative is 0, plus a into log of y minus 1 derivative 1 by y minus 1, plus next log of 1 minus x means constant or derivative is 0. So dou z by dou y is q. So a divided by y minus 1 we got. So transfer this side, so y minus 1 into q equal to a. So this is what we got expression for a. So take this as 2, previous expression, this one as 3. So from 2 and 3, so what we get is p into 1 minus x is equal to q into y minus 1. So this is the required PDE which we got through partial differentiation and which is not having arbitrary constants a and b. Let us solve another problem. Form PDE by eliminating constants from 2z equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. Here the constants means we need to eliminate a and b from this equation. So to eliminate this, you need, where z is expressed in terms of x and y, so we need to differentiate with respect to x and with respect to y. So now, so let us consider as it is 2z equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square equation. Take this as equation number 1. So now whatever the given equation is there, differentiate partially with respect to x. So now let us differentiate with respect to x. 2 z differentiation with respect to x, dou z by dou x equal to, so x square differentiation 2x divided by a square plus y is other variable we treat it as constant, so its derivative is 0. So now 2 get cancels here both side. So dou z by dou x means p equal to x by a square. So here we have 1 by a square, so let us find out one expression for 1 by a square. Take x this side, so p by x equal to 1 by a square. So take this some equation. So now in the same way you go for differentiate with respect to y. So differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. So differentiate with respect to y. So 2 z differentiation with respect to y, dou z by dou y, that is equal to, so with respect to y means x term we need to treat it as constant, its derivative is 0. So y square differentiation 2y divided by b square. So both side 2 get cancels. So dou z by dou y means q equal to y by b square. So take y this side, so q by y equal to 1 by b square. So this is what we get. So now 1 by expression for 1 by a square, 1 by b square we got. So that you substitute in 1. So from equation 1, so here 2z equal to x square 1 by a square. 1 by a square means p by x plus y square into 1 by b square is q by y. So here 1 x get cancels, here y get cancels. So 2z equal to x into p y into q. So we get this. This is the required PDE which we got after eliminating arbitrary constants a and b from this equation. Another example, form PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants a and b from x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to z square cot square alpha. So here we need to go for finding PDE by eliminating constants a and b. These terms we need to eliminate through partial differentiation. So we know z is function of x and y, z is dependent on xy. So go for partial differentiation with respect to x and with respect to y, that is dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. So let us consider the given equation as, so x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to z square cot square alpha. So take this as equation number 1. So now differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate partially with respect to x. So when you differentiate with respect to x, x minus a whole square, it is 2 into x minus a plus other y minus b means other variable term, treat it as constant, constant derivative is 0. So z square differentiation 2z, but z is function of x, so dou z by dou x into cot square alpha. So here both side we have 2 that get cancels. So x minus a equal to, so z dou z by dou x notation is p into cot square alpha. So this is what we got, x minus a. In the same way we need to find out expression for y minus b. For that differentiate with respect to y. So differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. So when you differentiate this, so we get x term means derivative is 0, y minus b 2 into y minus b, that is equal to z square differentiation 2z dou z by dou y into cot square alpha. So here both side 2 get cancels. So y minus b, that is equal to z, the dou z by dou y notation is q cot square alpha. So now we got expression for y minus b. So now what we can do is, whatever the x minus a, y minus b is there in 1, you replace it by these terms. So from 1, equation 1, x minus a means this z p cot square alpha, x minus a square, so square it, then y minus b is z q cot square alpha, its square, equal to z square cot square alpha. So now if you square it, you will get z square p square cot raised to 4 alpha z square q square cot raised to 4 alpha equal to z square cot square alpha. So now you throw out z square is there, so both sides z square get cancels, and cot raised to 4, this side cot raised to 2. So if you take common, cot square get cancels, so you are going to get p square plus q square into cot square alpha equal to 1. So now cot take that side, so it will be 1 by cot square alpha, p square plus q square equal to 1 by cot square alpha. 1 by cot is tan, so finally what we get is p square plus q square equal to tan square alpha. So this is the required PDE we got by eliminating arbitrary constants a and b. Now let us solve another problem. Form PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants from x minus a whole square minus plus y minus b whole square plus z square equal to 9, which was given in VTU model question paper for 7 marks. So now, if you look at this example, here we have the terms x minus a whole square, y minus b whole square plus z square equal to 9. So take this as equation number 1, where if you look at the terms, it has arbitrary constants a and b, and here z is function of xy, so you need to differentiate z with respect to x with respect to y, and if two constants are there, first order derivatives are enough to eliminate these two constants. So now, so differentiate partially with respect to x. So when you differentiate x minus a whole square, differentiation 2 into x minus a plus y minus b is other variable term other than x, which is constant whose derivative is 0. Z square differentiation 2z, but z is function of xy, so z into 2z into 2z by dou x equal to 0. 9 derivative is 0. So now throughout 2 is common, if you transfer that side it will be 0. So x minus a, that is equal to minus z dou z by dou x. So but dou z by dou x we use notation as p, so x minus a is equal to minus zp. So now in the same way, let us go for differentiation with respect to y. So differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. So if you differentiate with respect to y, what we get? So here x term, which is constant, which we need to treat it as constant whose derivative is 0, plus y minus b square differentiation 2 times y minus b plus z square differentiation 2z, but z is function of y, so dou z by dou y, that is equal to 9 derivative 0. So 2 common, transfer that side, it will be 0. So y minus b, that is equal to minus z dou z by dou y, or minus z dou z by dou y notation is q. So y minus b is equal to this. So we got x minus a, y minus b expression for both. So substitute the same in equation 1. So from equation 1, x minus a means minus zp square plus y minus b minus zq, so minus zq square plus z square equal to 9. So if you look at all terms on LHS, it has z square common, so z square common, if you take z square common, p square plus q square plus 1 equal to 9. So this is what we got the PDE, where we don't have arbitrary constants a and b. So this process is called formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. So let us solve another problem which was given in VTU exams for 7 mark, that is form PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants a, b, c from x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. So here we know that z is function of xy, z is dependent on xy. Those are two variables, dependent on two variables, and number of constants if you count, here we have a, b, c, 3 constants. So if only 2 constants are there, the first order derivative is enough to eliminate a and b. But here if 3 constants are there, you need to go for second order partial differentiation. So now, so let us consider given equation as x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. Take this as equation number 1. Now differentiate this partially with respect to x. Differentiate partially with respect to x. So if you differentiate, x square differentiation 2x divided by a square plus y square differentiation 0, z square differentiation 2z dou z by dou x divided by c square equal to 1. Derivative of 1 is 0. So 2 common, so that if you take that side RHS, it will be 0. So x by a square is equal to, if you take that side, minus z, dou z by dou x is p divided by c square. So this is what we get. So if you take c square on this side, so it will be minus c square by a square, that is equal to minus z, p means dou z by dou x, into 1 by x. So this is what we get, plus, so another time I will write, so z, dou z by dou x into 1 by x, that is equal to minus c square by a square. So like this we got. So now in the same way, if you go for with respect to y also, you are going to get z, dou z by dou y 1 by y equal to minus c square by b square. So from both you cannot eliminate, you can eliminate c, but you cannot eliminate a and b. So this is the problem when you go for first order partial differentiation. So in such situations, you need to go for second order derivative. So already we have differentiated with respect to x. So another time when you differentiate, so this term will become 0. So minus c square by a square will become 0, and we can easily eliminate the constants. So differentiate again partially with respect to x, So if you differentiate, so you look at the terms z, dou z by dou x 1 by x. So now it is of the form UVW. So what is the derivative of UVW? So UVW plus UVW plus UVW, where UVW dash U V dash W U dash VW. So like this you consider the terms as one as U, another one as V, another one as W. So derivative of this UVW is U into V, z, dou z by dou x into W dash 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square, plus U z, dou z by dou x differentiation dou square z by dou x square into 1 by x, plus U dash z differentiation dou z by dou x into VW. VW is V is dou z by dou x into 1 by x, that is equal to, so minus c square by a square is constant, derivative of this will be 0. So what we get is minus z by x square dou z by dou x plus z by x dou square z by dou x square plus 1 by x dou z by dou x square equal to 0. So now if you look at this throughout, if you take x square 1 by x square multiply by 1 by x square, so what we get, minus z, dou z by dou x is p, minus z p, dou z x by zx multiply by x square, so x get cancels, 1x get cancels, so zx, this is pqr x zr plus 1 by x into x, this is p square equal to 0. So this is what we get the PDE for given problem. Let us solve this problem. Form PDE for family of all spheres whose centers lie on the plane z equal to 0 having constant radius r. So this was given in VTU exams many times. So now, before going to solve this problem, first identify the equation of family of all spheres. So sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. If it is an equation of sphere whose center is at origin of radius small r. Now at center at any point, so that can be written as x minus a square, y minus b square, z minus c square equal to r square. So this is the equation of sphere whose center is at ABC and having radius r. So this is the equation at any point ABC. But here it has been given that family of all spheres whose center lie on plane z equal to 0. Z equal to 0 means that is xy plane. So on xy plane only x coordinate, y coordinate will be non-zero and z coordinate will be 0. So here that is c will be 0. Here we need to take c value 0. So family of all spheres, having whose centers lie on plane z equal to 0 or xy plane, having center AB0 and radius r is x minus a square y minus b square plus z square equal to r square. So this is the equation of sphere. Take this as equation number 1. So here always remember throughout this module, z is always function of xy. Z is function of xy or z is dependent on xy. And here arbitrary constants means here constants are a and b are arbitrary constants. These will vary and this is a fixed constant. So this is not arbitrary constant, it is a fixed constant r. So here anyhow we need to eliminate arbitrary constants a and b through partial differentiation. So whatever the given equation is there, so this differentiate partially with respect to x. So here z is function of xy means we can differentiate with respect to x, with respect to y. So let us differentiate with respect to x. So x minus a square, derivative of this is 2 times x minus a plus partial differentiation, y is other variable which is constant, derivative of the constant is 0. Now z square differentiation 2z, z is function of xy, so 2z, dou z by dou x, derivative of r constant, so 0. So now throughout 2 is common, so if you take this and transfer it will be 0. So x minus a equal to, so take that side, minus z dou z by dou x we get, or minus z p, dou z by dou x is p. So x minus a we get as minus z into p. So one thing we got. Now in the same way you go for differentiation with respect to y. So differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. So differentiate with respect to y. So this equation number 1, so x minus a derivative 0 plus y minus b square 2 times y minus b, z square differentiation 2z dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, r derivative 0. Again here also 2 common throughout, so transfer that side, it will be 0. So y minus b equal to minus z dou z by dou y. So minus z dou z by dou y is q, notation is q, y minus b is equal to minus zq. So this is what we got. So we got x minus a, y minus b. So both you substitute in 1. So from 1, equation 1, so x minus a square, x minus a is minus zp square plus y minus b square, y minus b is minus zq its square plus z square equal to r square. So throughout if you look at this, z square is common, so z square into bracket here p square plus q square plus 1, that is equal to r square. So this is what we got the PDE for family of all spheres whose center lie on z plane or xy plane, and here we don't have arbitrary constants a and b. Let us solve another problem. Find PD of all planes which are at a constant distance from origin. So this was given in VTU exams in the year 2009 for 7 mark. So now before going for PD, you must know the equation of plane. So equation of plane in solid geometry, in 3D geometry we learn. So at a constant distance from origin, so that constant distance, take it as some a. If that is the constant distance, then equations of all planes will be Lx plus My plus Nz equal to a. So this is the equation of planes which are at constant distance from origin. That constant distance is a. So where L, M, N are the directional cosines. So now, so if directional L, M, N are directional cosines, then L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. So take that as a equation number 2. So now, so whatever the arbitrary constants are there, those arbitrary constants here in this problems are L, M, N. This is a fixed constant. So these are the arbitrary constants. These 3 constants we need to eliminate from this equation. So for that, let us go for partial differentiation with respect to x, with respect to y. So differentiate partially with respect to x. So if you, with respect to x, if you differentiate, Lx differentiation L plus My derivative 0. So Nz, N into z differentiation dou z by dou x, a derivative 0. So L equal to take that side, so minus n dou z by dou x is p minus np, L equal to minus np. Now in the same way, differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. So if you differentiate with respect to y, so what we get? So Lx constant derivative 0, My differentiation m plus Nz, n into dou z by dou y, so that is equal to 0. So m equal to, so here we get n minus n, this is q, dou z by dou y is q, so m. So this is what we got, m equal to. Now so once you get this, the same thing substitute in equation 2. So from 2, so we know L square, L means minus np square plus m square, m is minus nq square plus n square, n as it is, n square equal to 1. So throughout n square common. So if you take n square common, we get p square plus q square plus 1, that equal to 1. So here n square is, if you take transfer that side, it will be 1 by p square plus q square plus 1. So n will be 1 by square root of p square plus q square plus 1. So this is what we get, n equal to something we got. So once you get this, then you go for substituting in equation number 1. So from 1, so we have Lx plus My plus Nz. In that, let us substitute L. So now let us consider Lx plus My plus Nz equal to a. So L means minus np x, m means minus nq into y plus nz equal to a. But we know n means we got 1 by square root of p square plus q square plus 1. So minus px divided by n means 1 by square root of p square plus q square plus 1 minus qy, n means again square root of p square plus q square plus 1. Now next plus n z divided by square root of p square plus q square plus 1, that is equal to some a. Now denominator term transfer that side, so we get z minus px minus qy equal to a into square root of p square plus q square plus 1. So this is what we get. Again, if you transfer this also that side, z equal to px plus qy plus a into square root of p square plus q square plus 1. So this is what we got PDE for all planes which are at constant distance from origin and which are not having arbitrary constants L, M, N.